In today's video, we're going to talk about a crucial financial topic: building an emergency fund, even when you're broke. Having an emergency fund is essential for everyone, regardless of their financial situation. It acts as a safety net during unexpected events like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. Saving money can be challenging, especially when you're facing financial difficulties. However, it's not impossible. In this video, we'll discuss practical and actionable tips to help you start building your emergency fund, no matter how tight your budget may be. We understand the struggles of trying to save money when every penny counts. That's why we're here to provide you with realistic strategies that you can implement right away. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to kickstart your emergency fund and secure your financial future. Let's dive in. Assess your financial situation. To begin building your emergency fund, the first step is to assess your current financial status. Start by calculating your total income and expenses. Take a close look at your monthly earnings and where your money is going. This will give you a clear picture of your financial health and help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Once you have a good understanding of your finances, it's time to set realistic savings goals based on your budget. Determine how much you can comfortably set aside each month towards your emergency fund. Remember, even small contributions can add up over time and provide you with a financial cushion when you need it most. By taking the time to evaluate your financial situation and setting achievable savings goals, you'll be on the right track to building a solid emergency fund, even when money is tight. Stay tuned for more practical tips on how to grow your savings effectively. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a crucial step in allocating funds towards your emergency fund. Start by tracking your expenses to understand where your money is going. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those funds towards savings. When establishing your budget, prioritize essential expenses over non-essential ones. Make sure your basic needs are covered before allocating money towards discretionary spending. By focusing on necessities, you can free up more funds to contribute to your emergency fund. Allocate a specific amount from your income to savings each month. Whether it's a fixed percentage or a set dollar amount, make it a priority to pay yourself first by setting aside money for your emergency fund before spending on other non-essential items. By sticking to a budget and consistently saving, you'll be well on your way to building a robust financial safety net. Increase your income. To accelerate the growth of your emergency fund, it's essential to explore ways to increase your income. One option is to consider taking up a part-time job or freelancing. This can provide you with an additional stream of income that you can dedicate towards your savings goals. Another strategy is to sell unused items or offer services to generate extra cash. Decluttering your space not only helps you earn money, but also creates a more organized living environment. Look for items you no longer need or use and turn them into cash to boost your emergency fund. Additionally, explore opportunities for career advancement or seek out additional sources of income. Whether it's pursuing a promotion at your current job or exploring side hustles, increasing your earning potential can significantly impact your ability to save for emergencies. By proactively seeking ways to boost your income, you can fast-track your financial goals and build a more secure future. Automate your savings. Setting up automatic transfers is a convenient way to ensure consistent contributions to your emergency fund. By automating your savings, you can make saving a priority without having to think about it actively. Here are some guidelines to help you get started. Schedule regular transfers from your checking to savings account. Set up a recurring transfer on a specific date each month to move a predetermined amount of money into your emergency fund. This automated process makes saving effortless and helps you stay on track with your financial goals. Utilize apps or tools that round up purchases and save the spare change. Some financial apps round up your transactions to the nearest dollar and transfer the spare change into your savings account. This small change can add up over time and boost your emergency fund. Increase the transfer amount whenever possible to accelerate savings. As your financial situation improves, consider raising the amount you automatically transfer to your emergency fund. By gradually increasing your contributions, you can grow your savings faster and better prepare for unexpected expenses. Automating your savings is a simple yet effective way to build a strong financial foundation. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses is a key strategy to free up more money for your emergency fund. By cutting back on non-essential spending, you can redirect those funds towards building a financial safety net. Here are some guidelines to help you trim your budget. Review your subscriptions and memberships for potential cancellations. Take a close look at recurring expenses such as streaming services, gym memberships, or magazine subscriptions. Canceling unused or unnecessary subscriptions can save you money each month, which can then be allocated towards your emergency fund. Limit dining out and prioritize home-cooked meals. Eating out can quickly add up and drain your finances. By cooking meals at home, you not only save money, but also have more control over your food expenses. Consider meal planning and batch cooking to save time and money on groceries. Find cost-effective alternatives for entertainment and leisure activities. Look for free or low-cost ways to enjoy your leisure time, such as visiting parks, having a movie night at home, or exploring local events. By cutting unnecessary expenses and making mindful spending choices, you can increase your savings potential and build a stronger financial foundation. Utilize windfalls wisely. When unexpected financial gains come your way, it's essential to make strategic decisions to bolster your emergency fund. By using windfalls wisely, you can accelerate your savings and strengthen your financial security. Here are some guidelines to help you make the most of unexpected financial gains. Direct tax refunds, bonuses, or gifts towards savings instead of splurging. Rather than immediately spending windfalls on discretionary items, consider allocating these funds towards your emergency fund. By prioritizing savings, you can build a stronger financial cushion for future uncertainties. Avoid impulsive purchases and consider the long-term benefits of saving. While it may be tempting to indulge in immediate gratification with windfall money, think about the lasting impact of saving those funds. By resisting impulsive spending and focusing on your long-term financial goals, you can make the most of unexpected financial gains. Use windfalls as a jumpstart to reach your savings goals faster. Windfalls provide an opportunity to boost your savings progress significantly. By leveraging unexpected financial gains to accelerate your savings, you can expedite your journey towards building a robust emergency fund. Make the most of windfalls by prioritizing savings and setting yourself up for financial stability in the long run. Explore side hustles. Engaging in side hustles or gigs is a proactive way to generate additional income for your emergency fund. By diversifying your income streams, you can boost your savings potential and work towards financial security. Here are some guidelines to help you explore side hustles effectively. Monetize hobbies or skills through freelance work or online platforms. Whether you're a talented writer, graphic designer, or photographer, consider offering your services on freelance websites or creating digital products to sell. By leveraging your passions and expertise, you can earn extra income to contribute to your emergency fund. Participate in surveys, pet sitting, or delivery services for extra cash. Explore opportunities to earn money through simple tasks like taking surveys, pet sitting for neighbors, or working as a delivery driver. These flexible gig options can provide a steady stream of additional income that you can allocate towards your savings goals. Invest time in building a side business that can provide continuous income. If you have a business idea or entrepreneurial spirit, consider starting a side business that aligns with your interests and skills. By dedicating time and effort to growing a sustainable source of income, you can create a reliable stream of funds to support your emergency fund and long-term financial goals. Get creative and explore different side hustle opportunities to maximize your earning potential and secure your financial future. Seek financial assistance. During challenging times, it's important to consider seeking financial aid or advice to navigate uncertainties and continue saving for your emergency fund. By exploring available resources and seeking guidance, you can better manage your finances and stay on track with your savings goals. Here are some guidelines to help you seek financial assistance effectively. Consult with financial advisors or counselors for personalized guidance. Professional financial experts can provide tailored advice and strategies to help you overcome financial challenges and make informed decisions about saving for emergencies. Schedule a consultation to discuss your current situation and receive expert recommendations. Research government programs or community resources for financial support. Look into available assistance programs, grants, or initiatives that can provide temporary relief or financial aid during difficult times. Community organizations and government agencies may offer resources to help you navigate financial hardships and maintain your savings efforts. Explore low-interest loans or credit options for emergencies while safeguarding your savings. In situations where you may need immediate financial assistance, consider low-interest loan options or credit facilities that can help cover unexpected expenses without depleting your savings. Be cautious with borrowing and ensure that you can comfortably repay any borrowed funds to protect your long-term financial stability. By seeking financial assistance proactively and utilizing available resources, you can weather financial challenges while continuing to prioritize your emergency fund savings. Remember, having an emergency fund is crucial for financial security, providing a safety net during unexpected events and helping you avoid financial setbacks. Consistent savings habits play a significant role in achieving long-term financial stability. By prioritizing savings and making smart financial decisions, you can build a solid foundation for your future and be better prepared for any unforeseen circumstances that may arise. We encourage you to implement the practical tips shared in this video and stay committed to your savings goals. Whether it's automating your savings, cutting unnecessary expenses, or exploring side hustles, every step you take towards building your emergency fund brings you closer to financial resilience and peace of mind. Start today, stay focused, and watch your savings grow to safeguard your financial well-being.